What if I told you the rings of Saturn aren't just for NASA? That the swirling arms of a distant galaxy are waiting in your backyard, tonight? For years, I thought serious stargazing needed serious money. Thousands of dollars, complex setups, until I tested 2026 most talked about telescopes for beginners. One of them, a shockingly affordable model, didn't just show me Jupiter's moons, it revealed details I thought were impossible. I'm about to show you the actual, unedited photos we took. And the one telescope that makes astrophysics affordable. Number 1. 90mm Aperture 600mm Refractor Telescope. The telescope is specifically designed to cater to the needs of astronomy enthusiasts, making it an excellent choice for both novice stargazers and experienced observers. One of its standout features is the fully coated green optics glass lens which, combined with a significant 90mm large aperture, allows for exceptional light capture. This is vital for observing celestial bodies, as a larger aperture will gather more light and enhance the visibility of distant objects in the night sky. The telescope also boasts a 600mm refractive lens, which plays a crucial role in increasing light transmittance while minimizing reflections. This results in a more clear and vivid viewing experience, enabling users to capture intricate details of the Moon, various stars, Jupiter, and other planets with remarkable clarity. The overall design promises to deliver an unparalleled observation experience, providing users with brighter and clearer images that enhance their astronomical exploration endeavors. Number 2. Telescope 130 EQ Newtonian. Large aperture 130mm telescope offers an impressive high-resolution and exceptional light-collecting ability, making it an ideal choice for astronomers interested in observing deep space celestial objects. This telescope allows for brighter imaging, which enhances the viewing experience by providing more detail and clarity during observations of distant planets and stars. The optical quality of this telescope is further enhanced by its high-quality optics. It incorporates a sturdy yet lightweight frame, ensuring durability while remaining portable. The carbon fiber covering on the telescope's surface not only adds to its sleek appearance but also contributes to its overall structural integrity. The objective lens is crafted from fully-coated glass optics, which significantly improves the performance of the optical system in astronomical telescopes. This results in a brighter view, allowing for more intricate details of celestial bodies to be observed. Number 3. Telescope 150 EQ Newtonian Reflector. This astronomical reflector telescope for adults is designed to provide an exceptional viewing experience for both novice and experienced astronomers alike. With a focal length of 650mm and a generous aperture of 150mm, this telescope is engineered to gather light efficiently, resulting in bright and clear images of celestial objects. It is particularly well suited for deep space observation, allowing users to explore distant galaxies, star clusters, and nebulae, as well as to observe planets and the Moon with stunning clarity and detail. The telescope comes equipped with two high-quality eyepieces, 25mm and 10mm, allowing users to achieve various magnifications ranging from 26x to an impressive 130x. This range is perfect for both wide-field views and detailed observations of individual celestial bodies. Additionally, the inclusion of a 2x Barlow lens doubles the magnification capabilities, providing greater versatility in viewing options. The red dot findoscope simplifies the process of locating targets in the night sky, making it an excellent choice for beginners who may be unfamiliar with navigating the stars. To enhance the lunar viewing experience, a moon filter is provided to minimize glare and make observations more comfortable. Number 4. UncleHu 150 EQ Newtonian. 150mm large aperture Newtonian reflector, bright, detailed views. This powerful 150mm Newtonian reflector telescope is engineered with a 650mm focal length, allowing it to gather substantial light to deliver remarkably sharp and high-contrast views of various celestial targets including the Moon's craters, the vibrant colors of planets, and the intricate details of deep sky objects such as nebulae and star clusters. This telescope is a fantastic option for both beginners and families who are venturing into the world of astronomy for the first time, as it simplifies the user experience while providing impressive optical performance. Additionally, for those who may be looking for an upgrade, this telescope delivers outstanding capabilities that can satisfy more experienced users as well. The sleek and modern design not only maximizes functionality but also adds an aesthetically pleasing touch to any observing setup, ensuring that it stands out in both performance and appearance. Equatorial mount for accurate tracking, fine RA, December control. The included equatorial (EQ) mount is a key feature that enhances the observational experience by aligning with Earth's rotation. This alignment permits smoother and more intuitive tracking of celestial objects, which is particularly beneficial when observing objects that move across the night sky. The mount is equipped with a latitude adjustment screw, allowing users to fine-tune their viewing angle according to their geographical location. Number 5. Celestron Inspire 100 AZ. The folding accessory tray is a convenient addition to the telescope setup, allowing users to easily pop the tripod legs open and secure them with a simple turn of the lock knob. This feature ensures a quick and hassle-free setup, enabling users to start their stargazing or terrestrial observing without delay. The telescope boasts a bold new design, which includes a main lens cap that features a fully integrated smartphone adapter. This innovative accessory is perfect for budding astrophotographers, as it allows them to capture stunning images of celestial events or landscapes using their smartphone, enhancing their observational experience. Additionally, the telescope is equipped with a red LED flashlight that is stowed conveniently in the center of the mount head. This flashlight serves a dual purpose. It can gently illuminate the accessory tray for easy access to equipment in low light conditions, or it can be detached and used as a spotlight when needed, adding versatility to nighttime observing sessions. And that's the scope that brings the universe to your doorstep. To start your own journey to the stars, all the links to check out or buy these 2026 telescopes, including our top pick, are waiting for you in the video description below. Have you taken an amazing astrophoto? Share it in the comments. If this guide helped you see the night sky in a whole new light, please like this video, share it with a future astronomer, and subscribe. Because next week, we're attaching a smartphone to a telescope to hunt for nebulas, and what we captured will blow your mind.